All right, today we're going to look at improper fractions. First, we want to focus on the word improper. If we think about our roots and our prefixes, the prefix of this word im means not. So the definition of this word is going to be not proper. Proper means the right way. Now, if we look at this and we talk about an improper fraction, that means a fraction that is not going to be written the right way. So a fraction written wrong. What do I mean by that? All right, well, let's look at it. If a fraction is written wrong, the numerator will be greater than the denominator. An example of this would be 17 halves, 67 fourths, 18 fifteenths, 7 sevenths. It could also be equal to, because 7 sevenths we know is also 1 whole. Now, in order to make it a proper fraction, we're going to have to make it into a mixed number. Now, what is a mixed number? Well, a mixed number has whole numbers, and it has a fraction. An example of that would be 1 1/2, 4 7/12, 108 2/5. There is a whole number and there is a fraction in each of these. Now, in order to get from an improper fraction to a mixed number, let me show you what we'll do looking at a couple of these examples. So the first example here, I have 11 out of 9. All right, looking at this one here, in order to calculate this and figure out how to make this a mixed number, you would take 11 and you would divide it by 9. Well, I know that 9 goes into 11 one time. 1 times 9 is 9. I'm going to subtract that and I get 2. This number up here is now my whole number. Whole. This number is going to be my numerator, and this number is going to be my denominator. So my mixed number is now 1 2/9. This is your mixed number. Now, looking at another example, example number 2, we have 47 sevenths. In order to find the mixed number for this, same thing, 47 divided by 7. I know that 7 goes into 47 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42, and that leaves me with 5 left over. Again, the number up top is going to be my whole. This remainder is going to be my numerator. Think about it. This one is smaller than this one over here. The smaller one goes on top in order for it to be a proper fraction. So this makes this my denominator. So my mixed number, I'm going to have 6 whole and 5 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. 6 5 sevenths is my mixed number. Looking at example number 3 over here, 17 over 3. In order to make this a mixed number, again, 17 divided by 3. 3 goes into 17 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. Up top, this is my whole number. This is my numerator, and this is my denominator. Notice again the 2 in the numerator is smaller than the 3 in the denominator. So our mixed number is going to be 5 and 2/3. Last and final example. Oops. We have 63 over 9, or 63 divided by 9. I know that 63 divided by 9 is 7. 7 times 9 is 63. And that means my whole number here is going to be 7, and there's no fraction left over. So again, these are some examples of how to find or convert your improper fractions into mixed numbers.